Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Friends, if you have good knowledge of English and you want to speak English, of course you are very good at reading and writing, because when you try to write something, you have got time there. You just take your time, you think in your mind about the exact word that you have to use in your sentences. But when it comes to speaking something, you cannot take a long pause there because it feels very awkward. Yes, I just give you an example. Suppose that if you are in a debate and you have been given any topic there, and you have to speak something on that particular topic. So you, of course, you want to say something, but of course you know everything in your native language, but you are not able to express yourself there because you don't have the exact word, you don't know the exact meaning of the words. Of course you fall short of lots of words. So in this video I'm going to discuss about the problem that we always face while speaking something. Yes friends, first of all, we need to understand that English is a language, and if you really want to speak English, like you just think in your mind that it's not going to happen in 2 or 3 months. So first of all, you have to understand yourself about your problem, like where. So we have to pick the area where you have to work on yourself, because most of the learners who want to speak English, of course they even join English classes, and they spend their money there, but after 2 or 3 months, like they start saying like I don't think I have made any improvement there. But first of all, you need to understand that it's not going to happen in 2 or 3 days, and it's going to take lots of time, and it totally depends on your dedication. If you understand the importance of this language, and if you know that this language is going to help you in your future, so you will leave no stone unturned, you will do your level best. Okay, and you will always try to utilize your time. Like suppose that I am making this video, and if I make any mistakes there, and even if I start thinking in my mind that I mean if I make mistakes, so what the other person gonna think about me, so I will never be able to make any video on my channel. Okay, so it's all about improvement, because improvement is something which is very important for any learners. So you don't have to give up, you just have to think in your mind that it's it's it is going to take lots of time, it will definitely take lots of effort there, and if you are ready to give your time, energy, so I think you will definitely do it, you will make it. Okay, so now let me come to the point. Now vocabulary, of course, so there are multiple ways you can learn. Even if you, if you read anything, like you will come across lots of words there that you don't know the meaning of the words. You can just write those words, you can also write down the meaning of the words, and when you try to speak something, just use those words that you have written down, just use those words in your sentences. So this is the basic thing that you can do, and you must have that learning attitude. Yes, if you convince yourself that like English is something that requires time, and if you dedicate yourself, if you dedicate your time in this language, you will definitely start speaking English. So friends, in this video, that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video.